Hey guys, we're down here at the airport about to pull off what we hope is going to be a pretty big stunt. The team was sitting back going, okay, how do we get this off social media and make sure that everyone at the Coles and Woolies head office hear about this campaign? We've got 2 helicopters, one in Melbourne, one in Sydney, both carrying a 10,000 square foot sign. Now the sign's been sponsored by a private donor, and the helicopter service and EPS helicopters have donated all their time to make today happen. We'll be flying right up the freeway during peak hour and then heading to each head office to fly the flag. Check it out.